Hi everyone, I am Sarita Pomnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. As I have completed with you fourth group of 42 letter sound. So in this video I am going to revise this group with Funday method. Before that we revise all the letter sound we have done. C, K make same sound. K, K, A, H, H, R, R. J, 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 J. G, 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 G. O, 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 O. L, F, B, B. A, I makes the long vowel A. J, 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 J. O, A makes the long vowel O. I, E makes the long vowel I. E, E makes the long vowel E. O, R makes the OR. Now let's revise these all. A, J, 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 J. O, I. E, O, E, O, E, O. Okay. Now, if you have any confusion with short vowels, long vowels, or consonant, kindly refer to my previous videos that I have done. Match the letter sound with the pictures. A, I, A. O, A, O. I, E, I. E, E, E. O, R, R. Now, what's this? Tie. I, tie. You have to match with I sound. What's this? Snail. A. You have to match with A sound. Tree. E. Tree. E. You have to match with E sound. Fork. Fork. You have to match with or sound. Now this is pie. I, pie. You have to match with I sound. Sheep. E. Sheep. E sound. This is soap. O for soap. O. You have to match with O sound. This is rain. Rain. You have to match it with A sound. Now this is goat. Goat. O. You have to match it with O sound. Okay. Now this is second worksheet. Look at the picture, listen for the sound in a word and write in the correct order. Now this is train. Train. T, R, A, I, N, T, R, A, I, N, train. This is pie. Pie. P, I, E, P, I, E, pie. Now this is nail. A, L, nail. N, A, I, L, L, nail. N, A, I, L, nail. This is tree. R, E, tree. T, R, E. T-R-E-E. Tree. This is road. R-O-D. Road. R-O-O-A. D. R-O-A-D. Road. This is B. B. E-E-E. B. This is jam. Jam. J. M. J-A-M. Jam. This is tie. Tie. T-I-E. T-I-E. Tie. This is jug. Jug. J-U. J-U-G. Jug. This is corn. Corn. C. O-R. N. Corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. These are feet. Feet. F. E. T. Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. Now this is fork. F-O-R. Or. K. F-O-R-K. Fork. So watch this video again. Repeat the words after me. It will really help you to understand the letter sound for a word. Keep learning. That's all for today. See you in my next video with fifth group of letter sound. Till then, bye.